Today we're making the allspice and everything nice.
You got nothing else.
That's it.
Nothing.
Yeah, not starting off the year well. Try to do better next time.
Welcome to Comment Cocktails. Derek and Ian are going to make for you the allspice and everything nice cocktail.
To be accurate, I'm going to make it. He's going to talk.
Right. Because we could both do it, but that would be weird. Created by Daryl, let's call him Darnell from 50 in New York City. We didn't
Darnell?
50. Darnell?
Let's try Darnell.
Fucking Texas small. What did I say?
Darnell.
Darren. Oh, well, okay. I just didn't know what I was saying. Submitted by John Spikes. This is the allspice and everything nice. Here it comes right now. 2 ounces of bourbon, 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice, 1/2 ounce of honey syrup, 1/4 ounce of St. Elizabeth's Allspice Dram, or any allspice dram you might have.
So if you flip that over, that's 2 ounces, right?
2 dashes of orange bitters.
Yeah, but it's the only 2 ounce thing. I don't want to have a dirty thing that I then flip upside down and spill all over the place.
Cinnamon stick and a whole clove is your garnish. Cinnamon sticks. Fucking cloves.
That's called courteous bartending.
I see.
You got this. Wait, you didn't finish
I don't know
it?
what that is.
No.
Motherfucker. You didn't finish this?
Okay. No, I did not.
Then I don't need the new one.
No, you don't.
I'm gonna drink it. This is really strong.
You should drink it. But be
This
careful
is
when you
for.
drop it.
Oh, are we in?
Yeah. Careful
about
when you
this.
go home.
This comes out January 2nd, 2020.
Yeah. Wow, you can actually open that?
Ooh, this smells fucking
It's not
lovely.
I'm just here for my looks, Jen.
Oh, what was that?
Come on.
I like that you can wrap your lips right around the hole.
That's what you said. That's what you said.
Oh shit, my chat room.
She said that.
That's
She didn't say that.
what She might have said.
There's more stuff about this cocktail. Executive producers, King Parker X100. He's been a YouTube subscriber, YouTube member for 8 months. That's cool. We need more YouTube members. You can click the join button. Help me work my magic to get a, what do you call it, a 4K camera to replace this camera for 2020. Gotta get done. Then we can do slow motion shots. 120 frames a second.
Or just make you in shake slow.
I have to move slow too, though. I don't know what I'd be doing where it involves me
Slowing
doing
down
this.
more.
Right in the nuts.
I think you're dancing like those goth kids who were dancing to Thomas the Choo Choo Train.
I thought it was like some sort of
I thought he was
Tai
a Tai
Chi?
Chi guy. Yeah, the lady in the park.
I thought he was just trying to touch my
lady.
nuts.
Oh, the pink lady in the park.
Pink lady in the park? Is that what you
Yeah.
call the man in the rowboat?
Oh, what?
No, it's a pink lady in the park.
Did you use
Not
the
a man
bitters?
in a rowboat.
Yes, I used the bitters.
Did you use the garnish?
I haven't poured the drink yet.
That's a really small drink.
It's okay.
It's a small drink.
I don't think it's that small. Got 2 ounces of booze in it. Straight up booze and some more booze. And it's not so strong.
Boom!
The clove is lost. Let me
That was awesome. What are
That's
you
a good
doing?
shot, though. I'm going to float the clove, buddy. To float the clove, Mark Hamill's Joker.
You can't float the clove. Okay. It's floating. That, my friends, is the allspice and everything nice. Let's try
This
this
is
out.
why they think we're drunk.
Oh, that's probably true.
Yeah.
I might not be giving
get
him
silly.
ammunition.
Without drinking, you get silly.
I know.
As the energy
'Cause
builds.
I get into it.
Yeah, you get into it.
Like you get in the zone. By hour 1, you're like fucking in it. You're like, yes!
Yeah, but we have like intersecting vectors of energy because as I'm like coming down
Why will you come down?
You're going up.
as you're going up because you know I have a limited amount of energy and I kind of blow my wad at the beginning and then I'm just kind of treading water from then on
And
out.
then he just needs to sleep.
And luckily you pass me luckily so it picks it up and that's why our dynamic works.
So by the end of the month of January, he's gonna basically have signed it in. He's just fucking.
So he's gonna be on the bar
He's
like
just
that.
there. He's just making drinks and then he goes to sleep and I finish the episodes.
Is it any good? Give me a straw. I don't want
There
to
you-
put my head up.
I can
it's
pour
got
it
a
over
straw.
your cheek. Oh, it worked? You
Yeah,
didn't
it
choke
was.
that time.
Did not.
You haven't got that far in the blooper reel yet, have you? Watch that blooper reel! He's totally sober. Look, that was a callback.
I don't fit in that shirt anymore. Thank you for reminding me
You're gonna order
that I have it somewhere.
You're reminding him that he's gonna buy a bigger shirt.
Actually, Dad got it at one point. I think we had matching Totally Sober shirts.
Really?
Sold the October shirt.
I haven't seen him ever wear it. Have I?
Yeah, I think
This
he
was
wore
back.
it.
This was before you knew him.
What about the horsecock?
That I bought myself. And I tell people it was a gift.
Why? Because you're embarrassed to say you bought it?
No. It's just
It's just funny.
I make fun of the thing, and I'm like, don't believe in marketing. That kind of thing. Don't believe everything you
So
read.
you could be like me and wear company shirts. This is my company shirt.
Yeah, it's a Data Robot shirt.
Yep. It's my company.
Yeah, well, it says it on the back too. So. Yeah.
Does it?
Anyway, what's that?
Oh yeah! Tastes like allspice.
It's pretty good. Yeah, it's very Christmassy. Maybe this should have been a couple drinks ago.
You know what? You want to know what?
There's a nipple there. It's all
This-
yours, buddy.
This was the holiday drink.
Was it?
Yeah, I swapped it out for the other drink because it was called Home for the Holidays, and I thought Home for the Holidays in January jumps the shark.
It does.
Right? It's like the Fonz. So I switched them. You don't know that the whole phrase comes from Happy Days? Jump the shark?
Oh, no.
Fonz jumps the shark. And that's when the show went downhill.
Oh, okay. No, I did not know that.
Ah, you got new knowledge you can walk away with.
I got culturally schooled just then.
Cultural school! Slam down! That's right, bitches!
An explosion overlay.
If I have time, I probably won't, but if I have time,
I have all these great ideas for work for you to do. I really do.
Ah, damn it! I'm gonna have to think this through hard and see if I can come up with something. I bet you. I mean, I can make it. I just gotta find one that's free because those things are fucking expensive.
Work hard.
That's right. Kind of hurt my balls a little bit when I stomped though. I think I crushed them, and a
Is
little
that an
bit.
old man problem? They start to sag a little bit? You got a couple years on me, so warn me when it starts happening to you. Let me know so I can prepare
I
myself.
don't think it was the sagging as much as the stomping. Like,
Yeah, I don't do that.
Yeah.
Okay, but it's good to know.
what were we talking about? Oh yeah. So this cocktail was gonna be that, but then I thought, allspice flavor profile fits the season. It's not Christmas.
Got your back, Ian.
Stephen Boise! Oh, $10. Got your back. Oh yeah, too. Oh, that one hurt more because yeah.
It was still sting?
Yeah.
Yeah, residual.
So two things. This give me this. This is what you get for the season. I don't think it's necessarily just Christmas that you have
that's fair.
allspice.
Yeah.
Allspice, you can use any allspice dram. Allspice dram is an allspice liqueur.
But I'm thinking
Allspice.
this is like Thanksgiving to Christmas season. And after that, you start getting drier with the shipping and the whatchamashiggies and hoochimoitzlets.
I don't know. Bourbon sours is the way I would go. To make this the right way, you need honey syrup. So what you guys might have missed, because I think we did it before the show started, is we took this orange blossom honey, different flavors. I have a video all about honey. I think I do. I hope so.
You at least thought about one.
I
Thought about making one.
Right. Orange blossom honey is a fantastic honey. All honeys have different nuanced flavors. But this is a little like, we've had it for a while. So it's a little bricky. And when I say bricky, I mean like hard like a fucking brick. Right? So when it comes out, it's a fucking thing.
Yeah, it's a big
Right?
turn.
So to get honey syrup, you have two options. You can take the honey, put it with water, and dilute it enough that it's usable in a cocktail. That way when you shake it, it doesn't just stick to the fucking edge of the shaker, and that's a waste of time. So you gotta add some water to it to liquefy it. The other option, you can go to awesomedrinks.com and just buy pre-made honey syrup. You could just do that.
People buy simple syrups. They buy all sorts of flavored
Yeah.
syrups. I mean, it makes
We
sense
have honey
either way.
syrup. You can get that. You can use coupon code 11 years.
Yeah,
and save
you get 15% until
July 31st. Nope. January 31st. That was a long fucking coupon. See, I haven't changed. I gave up on that for this time because.
which January 31st.
2020.
Okay.
I gotta remember to change that on the
Yeah.
pop-up.
Shit is happening as
fuck.
years are passing.
I don't know if I like this. We're going into year 12.
We're gonna start qualifying shit.
I don't even know what that means. What are we qualifying it for?
You know, giving more qualifiers to things.
Oh.
Like
Whether
years.
Ian will drink it or not, that's what you're qualifying it for. You're like,
No,
too
no,
cology.
no.
Not happening.
Not really what we're talking about, Jen. It's another qualification.
Well, moving into 2020,
When producers attack.
I'm gonna be more of a fucking snob. Like Trey. Trey's like, don't be a total snob. I used to be the guy that would drink like really shitty cocktails, and then
Margaritas with a mix.
yep. And now, 11 years later, like I've learned some shit. And
you better have.
right,
A
so
wasted effort if you didn't.
if you, for whatever reason, wanted to learn the way I did, I don't recommend it because it takes a while. You could go back to 2008's videos and make every cocktail.
And watch all 6,000.
Right, all the way up. It's something up there, all the way up, and you will eventually. It'll cost you a lot of money, but you'll be at my level of appreciation, which is not the total snob. There's plenty of people above me. I like a good cocktail of any type. I'll drink a Michelob Ultra. I don't fucking care. But I do appreciate more now drinks that have crazy archaic ingredients in them.
So the thing is name of common man cocktails.
Yep.
Your tastes have evolved over 11 years because you've had a lot of experience.
But my
with
childishness,
thank God, is not.
fucking on par.
It's
Just as common as it ever is.
I've turned into a much older man.
Yep.
And you're still the same guy from college.
Yeah.
In some ways.
I
You
can't.
stay up late coding, I'm guessing, still.
I stay up late. Sometimes I'm up late drinking. That's still kind of college-like, but not like what I was like in college.
We've done that. No,
Yeah.
you were coding till 4 in the morning.
Yeah.
It was different.
I do stay up coding though, yes. But I
now
get
you get
paid for it now. Yeah. Well, you know why I write code at night? Because I'm a manager in the day. I don't have time to code. So, do it at night. Anyway, that's it for our first episode of 2020, right? I feel like that's true.
Yeah, we did a New Year's one and we did another one.
Yeah, that was at the beginning. That was at like 19. Who cares
Oh,
about
we
that?
did one after that.
Sidebar.
Yeah, this one.
More fucking videos. That's all I get to say. Down below, you can get the bartender starter kit from our store, awesomedrinks.com, where you can get stuff that's awesome that you can make drinks with. We're teaching you how to drink.